Welcome. If you want to enter one-hand mode in your Samsung Galaxy A40, let's go for the settings. Right now, click on the search and type hand. Click on the one-hand mode in the advanced features. Tap again on the one-handed mode. And right now we have to turn it on with this switcher. And we can change it from the gesture and the button. So right now we set up on the button, and when we double tap it, we are going to enter the one-hand mode. So let's try it. And here we are. If you want to move it on the left side, just click on this arrow right here. And do the same if you want to get it on the right side. And if you want to exit, you have to click on the arrow outside. So as you can see, it's really easy to use. And right now you will be able to reach a very section of your screen with your one hand. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.